To convert USDC to USDT on MEXC, start by locating and opening the MEXC app. Once open, navigate to the search function, typically found in the bottom row of options, and type in MEXC to find and download the app if it's not already installed. After downloading, exit the App Store and locate the installed app. Upon opening MEXC, you'll see options at the bottom for home, markets, trade, futures, and wallets, and your profile picture or icon at the top left. Click on your profile icon. Then enter your email and password to access your account. Next, navigate to Spot Trading, where you can find the option to convert USDC to USDT. Type USDC into the search bar, and select the USDC USDT pairing to compare the two. This process allows you to easily convert between USDC and USDT on the MEXC platform.